everyone, this is Muazzem Khan. I am back again with a new English lesson today. In our lesson today, we are going to learn how to make a WH question from a statement. In fact, this lesson of today will be very helpful for the students of degree honors, PEC, and for the learners wishing to develop their speaking skill. So, what I want to tell you that a WH question usually begins with a question like what, which, when, and so on. So, there are some sentences on the board, some statements. So, let's get started our class. We'll try to make a WH question out of this statement. So, you can see some sentences here. There are 5 sentences. Our first sentence is, Kamal has 10 books. Kamal has 10 books. We can see the mark just down this number. So when you can see the mark just down any number, we have to notice one more thing, whether the noun after the number is countable or uncountable. So we can see the word book and it is in plural number. So no doubt it is a countable noun. So this time we can use this structure, what I have written down here. How many plus countable noun, then these do verb, either do or these two for present time and this one for past time. Then subject plus present form of the verb. Anyway, these structures here in this place, sometimes we can use be verb also, some other modal verb also may come. But this structure will be applicable for this sentence because we are trying to know what we are going to make a WH question when this mark is just down the number. Kamal has 10 books. We will make a WH question from this sentence. So anyway, how many? We just start writing. How many? How many? Then countable noun. How many books? Then we have to take one from these 3, out of these 3. So we can see the verb here, which is having one S. So when this verb is having one S, so we have to use does here. So okay, place this auxiliary verb does here. Then for the subject here, structure here, we can see subject here. So Kamal is the subject. Okay. This is the uncountable noun. So, how many books does Kamal? Then at the end, we have the verb in present form. So, we have to have here this verb. In this sentence, this is the main verb here, this is the auxiliary verb. So, we cannot use this verb which is having one S at the end, because when we use this auxiliary verb does, we have to use the base form of the verb, present form without S or S. So, let us have a look at the sentence number 2. The sentence is, Jamie had 15 books. So, this is the only verb you can see, had. So, this is the main verb here. Jamie had 15 books. This is the only verb. No doubt this is a have verb, but in its past form. Anyways, so this is also a countable noun. So the same structure, how many plus countable noun plus, and this and this, we have to use the same structure. So okay, let us try. Okay, so how many books follow the structure. How many plus countable noun, books. Then you have to use one from these three, out of these three. So this time this main verb is in its past form. So that is why we have to use did here. So how many books did, then subject, Jamie, Jamie had. So we want to use this had, we have to use this V1, okay? So the present form of the verb, when we use this auxiliary verb did, we have to use the present form of the main verb, okay? So at the end, this question mark. Our next sentence is, I have 20 friends. Okay, this noun after the numerator is also a countable noun. So we have to use the same structure, the down one. How many FRINDS friends do you have? This is the answer. So follow the, okay, look at the structure. If it, the structure, this sentence has followed this or not. Okay, how many countable noun friends, we have to use do, because for this you we cannot use does or did, because does is only for the subject which is third person single. So anyway, this I will become you here, okay. So how many friends do you have? Our next sentence is, the jar contains 10 liters of water. Okay, so 10 liters of water. So this is the amount of liquid. So this water is an uncountable noun. So we can't use this structure what we used earlier. We have to follow this one. How much? Because water is not countable. So we can try like this. How much? Then this uncountable noun. Uncountable noun means water. How much water? Then we have to use one from this three. Also, as we can see, and one S at the end of the verb, we have to use does. So how much water does? Does, then subject, does the jar. Then the main verb, contain. IN, contain, and that is all. So when we use does as an auxiliary, the main verb will be without S or yes. So anyway, our next sentence is, it has been raining for 3 hours. It has been raining for 3 hours. This is a period of time for 3 hours. So when our mark is just down the expression which refers to a period of time, we have to use how long. Then auxiliary verb, subject, and rest of the verb. So we can write like this: how long then auxiliary verb. This is the subject here, it, and this is the auxiliary verb, first auxiliary. This is the second auxiliary. This is the main verb. Okay, all this a verb phrase. So how long? We have to bring the first auxiliary verb. How long has? Then we have to bring the subject, this it. How long has it? And after the subject, we have to use these two verbs. Been and raining. How long has it been raining? Okay, that is all. So I hope you have understood how to make a WS question out of some statements. If you have found my lecture useful, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comment or question, please leave your comment and question in the section below. I'll be back again with a new English lesson. I hope you will stay just fine, safe and sound till then. Thank you very much.